Responsibility versus accountability. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan on this cold day. It's almost like winter came back. Spring was here a couple weeks ago, but it's now freezing again, just for today though. So anyway, responsibility versus accountability. A lot of folks don't know how to distinguish that because there's accountability partnerships all the time, and I'm part of them. And I'm just wondering, why do we think we need accountability partnerships, and why do we need others to hold us accountable? Are we taking responsibility, or do we need all this accountability? Do we need somebody to hold our hands? And when we were children, maybe our parents held our hands, but why do we need accountability today? So I wanted to distinguish that for you in this video because most people don't understand that. So I'll start with responsibility. So for example, I know that I'm responsible for my family. I'm responsible for keeping them safe and secure, and I take that responsibility on. And so what do I do to be accountable? I make sure that the doors are locked and that the alarm system's on, and that they're safe and secure, and that at night everything is secure, and that they can sleep peacefully, and we can all sleep peacefully. So I take accountability, which is my own self-accountability. I don't need somebody else to check on me or to check in with somebody else. Did you do that? And that's what it's about. And like I said, there's accountability partnerships all the time, and you might be part of some of them, but it's really about your own accountability. It's about your accountability, being accountable to yourself, not looking to somebody outside of you to keep you on track. That doesn't make any sense at all. What are you going to do once they go away? It's like the whole personal trainer mentality. You have a personal trainer, but then this situation happened, now what? You don't have a personal trainer anymore. Are you going to stop working out? Are you going to stop doing what you've been doing? No. Figure it out. Run on the spot. Do some push-ups. Do something. Be accountable. You're accountable for your health. That's your health. You're responsible for that. So take responsibility and be accountable and do what your personal trainer taught you to do. Don't give up. That's the whole thing. And so, like I'm saying, these accountability partnerships are mind-boggling. In fact, I'm part of a group called the Game Changers and the Game Changer program, and we have success partnerships, not accountability. And it's simply because we are not of the mindset that you need to have somebody else outside of you to hold your hand. It doesn't make any sense at all. So, think about that. Are you being responsible? Are you taking accountability? Are you taking ownership over what you said you would do? Or, like I said, keeping my family safe and secure. That's implied. That's the responsibility I take on. Then I have to be accountable to take the actions, make sure I lock the doors. I don't wake up in the morning and say, oh man, forgot to lock the front door. No, that's my responsibility. So I want to finish by saying I'm grateful for a few things. So I'm grateful obviously for my family and for the love and the appreciation that I get from them every day, the hugs. I'm so grateful for my health and well-being and for my strength and my ability to keep going amidst all this craziness. And frankly, my life hasn't changed much. Actually, it got a little bit better. I'm not driving around all over the place going to swimming lessons, all sorts of crazy stuff. And finally, I want to say that I'm grateful for you showing up, listening in, commenting, and grateful for who you are and what you're doing to make a difference in the world, and learning to be a better version of yourself. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, you can check that out and subscribe, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think and what you're responsible and accountable for. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.